Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Sint Maarten. Say hey, babe. Are you excited? Are you excited? So yeah, we're in Miami Airport. We flew from Memphis, our hometown, to Miami, and now we're on our way to Sint Maarten. So we will be vlogging, y'all. So stay tuned for the vlog. Your girl got a different hairstyle, y'all. What y'all think? Okay, y'all, so we're on the plane, and guess what? We got a whole road to ourselves, babe. There's a whole road to ourselves. Yeah. We got a whole road to ourselves.
We really don't.
Yes, we do. Y'all, it's lit.
Hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment. There by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul.
So we made it to Sint Maarten, and we're in our Airbnb. It's so cute, y'all. Let me show y'all the view. Let me show y'all. This is our view. We're overlooking the lagoon. Go back so y'all can see. We have like a patio here. Real nice. Yeah, this is our view. It's so pretty. Yeah, so we're about to go out. Should I bring my camera? I may bring my camera, y'all, so I can record this. Okay, I'm gonna bring it. Baby. I am just got up. I know I have barely been recording. Yesterday was our first day getting in, so now for the rest of this trip, y'all, I'm gonna be recording. I'm actually gonna take my camera today. Today we're going to another country. We're gonna go to Anguilla. Finish my makeup. Your girl is at Beats. Period. So cute. Queen nose rings. Okay, I'll see y'all back later. I need to put my camera on the charger real quick before we go to it.
This one I better do it. I know get tired. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man we do what's it going? Chihuahua, all depends.
Hey! I feel safe now. Yeah. Oh, y'all playing? We're the same. Yeah, we were the same. I feel so much safer now. Oh my God. We ain't on the one. That's too funny.
Anything when you do, they must comment it. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm plenty survive with face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house. I still still want to know. Let me tell you. What's it go? G-Wagon. Oh.
New Orleans. For real? I live in New Orleans, but like,
Right? Oh, wow.
I live there, so like.
This is so pretty. Welcome to Anguilla. This is so breathtaking. Oh, wow. Wait. What do you think? Okay, so we are here at the Four Seasons Anguilla. We're just gonna get something to drink. This is something to drink, babe. That's it. So I want something fruity. Let's get a small cocktail. I got a refresher. I'm just gonna get a refresher. Probably come back. It's so pretty. We definitely gonna walk on the beach. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one. Should I put my glasses on? But it's just so pretty. I just want to take it all in. Say hey, Daddy. Handsome. Okay, let's see you try it. Is it good? It's fine? Okay, I'm about to try these. Let me see. Okay, this is definitely a refresher. I feel awake, okay?
This looks like.
This should taste like earwax.
Whip, body, crib, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up.
Wait. She says bamboo have more. I want to walk in. Oh, we can sit out. Yeah, that's what I want to do.
I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions.
Okay, y'all, so we're still at Four Seasons in Anguilla, and it's absolutely breathtaking. Like, y'all, if y'all go to St. Maarten, definitely take a day trip to Anguilla and come to the Four Seasons. Thank me later. Like, y'all, so far, you don't need reservations. You can just come, and they have 4 restaurants here. It's a lot. It's just so beautiful and breathtaking. Me and my husband are literally like the only youngest people here. So all the other people here are like kind of like older. But yeah, so we're finna go to the Bamboo House here, one of their restaurants. So.
The whole beach is worth just walking around.
Yeah, that's what I told her. It's so beautiful.
The only caveat is you're gonna have to take off your shoes.
Right, that's fine. I love to feel the sand.
That's fine, yeah.
You know, we love the sand.
Definitely, yeah. It's open for lunch.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
So much. Or out of town here. Things like that. Hey y'all, so I just ordered a jerk chicken pizza, and then Joshua got some type of bacon double stack, I don't know, burger. our waitress recommended. She said it's really good. He almost ordered like y'all some octopus. I was like, and then the lady was like, oh, it's just to let you know, it's not cooked, it's raw. All we do is marinate it. And I was like, no, we do not eat anything that's raw. So I had to stop him from ordering because I'm not trying to have him sick out here. But yeah, so. Pizza. Somebody. Okay, and then these what is it on Mr. Baecation?
Yeah, bacon, man.
Walking down to the beach. We'll take a little refresher.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay, y'all. So just coming back with an update. So we loved Anguilla. We are back at our Airbnb. We actually finna go get dinner. And I think I'm gonna take my camera. Babe, should I take my camera? I don't know, because we're gonna be walking. Like, it's like we have like a lot of restaurants here on our thing. I just be kind of scared like taking my camera. But I may take it. I'll go ahead and take it tonight. Yeah, because we're finna go to dinner, and then after dinner we're going to Lotus nightclub. It's on the Dutch side, and it opens at 10. It's like 10 to 4 a.m. But we're not gonna stay that late because we do have to. We have an excursion tomorrow. We're riding ATVs, and they'll be here to pick us up at 8. Good morning, y'all. So I think the last time y'all seen us, we were headed out to dinner. So we did end up going to dinner. We were supposed to go to Lotus nightclub, but your girl got super tired. So after we went to dinner, we came and just hung out at our Airbnb. So yeah, but this morning is we're going on an excursion today. We're going RTV. They're actually going to pick us up from our Airbnb. So on the wake up from the Airbnb. So
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party.
what in the world? Okay,
alright.
never mind.
Well, let me let y'all know, right?
Never mind.
Now the tail is the weapon. Pass your hands down. You don't feel the sharpness. You pass it up. You can feel the sharpness. lower you go, the sharper the tail. Alright? Now this is how they can breathe below the water in 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so what I got here in my hand is a young male. Alright? Anybody want to hold him?
No, we are good.
Let me show y'all how good they can swim.
You gotta, I'm gonna need more than glove me then. I'm gonna need a whole suit.
So I'm going to show you how good they can swim. So they can spend 15 to 20 minutes below water as well. Alright, so right here you can get a little, there's turtles
Oh, don't
here,
throw it to
there's
me,
ducks
okay.
as well here. Alright, so there's a small little ecosystem. Alright, ready? Move.
I
1,
get it.
2. See that?
Oh, he was fast.
See how fast he is? Yeah. Below the water. So they are people actually come here and feed them every day. So guys, in the street, there's over 100. Y'all show y'all branch. You're supposed to hold
I
the
ain't
branch.
done it. Show it.
Well, what do I do? Hold the branch and feed them. Come over, come over, come over.
Okay, y'all, I know I'm always recording from this angle, but we finna go to St. Barth. I just did my hair. It's looking real fire. I had to take the braids out, y'all. The braids are just too heavy. I just couldn't even do it. Like, for real, couldn't even do it. But we're here. Finna go to St. Barth. And yeah. Hey. There's Daddy. Yeah. Okay, let me put him some sunscreen on, y'all. I'll be back. Bye.
So tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Hey, y'all, so we in Rocky City Beach, y'all. It's such a vibe.
That's where I go, my home. So tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, that's where.
Okay, y'all, so we back from Roxy Beach Club. It was very a vibe, but my husband, we wanted to, he forgot to bring his beach shoes and he wanted to ride ATVs, and it's right here on our street, so we was like, let's just come back, get your stuff that way, because he was wearing some tennis shoes because he knew he was gonna be walking or whatever. And we was rewind, let me go back. So the last time I told y'all, we were supposed to go to St. Barth. So we couldn't go to St. Barth because we missed the ferry to go to St. Barth. So usually St. Barth, they're not like Anguilla. Like Anguilla have ferries going every 30 minutes. St. Barth, they don't have it every 30 minutes. So we had to get up. So now we know tomorrow we want to go to St. Barth. We have to get up super early. But I think we just gonna call. I think I'm gonna just request a massage. And we probably just gonna get a massage today. I really want to do a massage on the beach, really. So we'll see about that. We may be getting a massage on the beach, and then yeah, because we were supposed to go to St. Barth, so we're gonna have to go tomorrow. So I just like on vacation. Like, who want to get up early? Like, not me. I don't want to get up early. So I'm gonna have to get up early if I want to go to St. Barth. So I do want to go to St. Barth because I want to get the passport stamps. And like, why would I come all the way over here and not go to all of the islands around and get passport and get the experience? So I came too far not to hit all the islands. So we were definitely gonna be hitting St. Barth tomorrow. And that was a part of the plan anyways, to go on Monday to St. Barth. But yeah, we enjoyed Anguilla. Anguilla was such a vibe. I would definitely go back. Like, the Four Seasons were beautiful. I know I've been talking about that the whole time, but it was so fire, y'all. Like, I love it. Chocolate Bay Beach, y'all.
Y'all got some napkins?
So sweaty. Okay, y'all. So we are at Skipjack. We are at Skipjack. Say hey, babe. Yeah, look y'all, look at the views. We got a yacht right behind me. So beautiful. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But yeah, we're at Skipjack's, y'all. We're having so much fun. Like, my husband's phone died, so he's forced to talk to me with no phone. And I'm having this is probably one of the best drinks I had on the island. It's like a strawberry something. It's so good. My husband, he got a CDC. But it's so fire. Let me show y'all my view. Hey y'all, so we are headed to St. Barth. Goodness. So hey babe, headed to St. Barth, and yeah, so we're gonna catch a ferry to our next country. We finally made it, y'all. Like, we've been trying to go here, and yeah, I just took motion sickness pills because I have heard the stories about how bumpy the ride can be. So
Nobody knows me.
We'll see how it goes. Alright, y'all. Bye. We made it to St. Barth.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. We're just gonna walk first. See what we can find. Nikki Beach. We made it to Nikki Beach, y'all. This is fire.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind.
Hey y'all, so we are in St. Barth. We're in this little Kiki and Nola place, and vanilla ice cream, and we have some type of chocolate chip cookies. So good. Yum, yum, yum. Alright. So good. And we don't leave until 6, so we're just hanging out. Doing a little bit of shopping. But we're just chilling. I've been getting a lot of B-rolls for y'all. Y'all can see how nice St. Barth is. St. Barth is France, and it definitely feels like we're in France, for sure. Everybody speaks French. Euros is the #1 dollar here.
I'm always happy when I'm surrounded by water. The ocean makes me feel really small, and it puts my whole life into perspective. It reminds me, okay, I'm this very little piece of this huge earth, and it humbles you and it grounds you, and it makes me feel almost like I've been baptized and I'm born again when I get out of the ocean. Am I?
passed out in the middle of shopping. Let's just say St. Barth kicked his butt. Super tired, y'all. Just so tired. Super tired. Ready to get back and go. Good morning. It's the last day with this beautiful view, y'all. Like, last day. I'm gonna miss it. We had so much fun in Sint Maarten, Anguilla, St. Barth, hitting all 3 islands. Like, today was beautiful. I thank God every day for waking us up to this beautiful country. And we just had such a great time. And I'm really getting kind of sad because I miss my kids for sure. But I love being out the country. It's just something about just being in somewhere new, exploring, and just traveling and making new memories and experiences. Like I'm just so thankful. Like so thankful for. I'm just so thankful for everything. I thank God because a few years ago, when we were in college, like I would never imagine that we'd be traveling the world together. So I'm just so thankful, so blessed. When I get home, I'm definitely finna go get my kids' passports because my kids got experiences too. It's just beautiful. Like it's so much to life, y'all. Like if y'all are ever like, just book the trip. Book the trip. Even if you gotta go by yourself, book the trip. Don't let nobody stop you, hold you back. It's easy traveling. All you gotta do is do a lot of research on the area that you're staying. If you're traveling by yourself, just stay on a resort. You're more safer that way. But I like to do Airbnbs because we get to get more of the culture, and it's just the experience hits different than a resort. I feel like when you're in a resort, it's just like mostly tourists. We met some amazing people out here. Amazing people, so nice. Like I have people that now we're Instagram followers and friends, so we're just so blessed, and I'm just so thankful. Like so thankful. I thank God for just letting us allow us to be here for 6 days on this beautiful island. And yeah, we're gonna do some last minute things, y'all, and yeah, that's it. We decided to come to the pool one last time. Our last day. Like we're actually gonna get ready to check out our Airbnb. I plan on leaving till 4, but it's almost 12. We're gonna go ahead and leave, turn in the key or whatever, and head to the airport because I do want to be there extra early. Because all day, like yesterday, everybody's like, "Oh, I leave today. I leave tomorrow." So I don't know if y'all watched my last travel vlog. If y'all didn't, go watch my Aruba travel vlog that went on the girls trip. We had a problem leaving the country the last time because we left 2 or 3 hours early and there still wasn't enough time. So I don't want to do that again. So I am leaving earlier this time. So I'm leaving earlier. What's funny? Okay, I'm leaving earlier because I don't want to get stuck over here in another country because I gotta go get my kids, y'all.
I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me. Music chose me, just know this.